Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I wanted to do a really quick unboxing and I guess first impressions of the Sissix Big Kick. Now, I purchased this today from Tuesday morning. They had an ad for it and it was $49.99. So let me show you. Here is the here's the information for it. I'm like knocking everything over on my desk. So here's the information for it right here. This is what it looks like right out of the box. It had a lot of that foam and it was making that noise, and I know that can be very uncomfortable to a lot of people. So it is in the periwinkle color, okay? And you have to put the handle on it. It's all taped down. Ugh. So it comes with the handle, and then it comes with these pieces to put the handle on with. This was on the handle, but it obviously broke off. Well, not broke off, it slid off. Let me not say broke. Okay, and it comes with the two plates. Just have to figure out. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to push this out of the way because it's going to knock my camera over. Alright. Okay, so it comes with the platform and the plates and instructions, but all of that is taped, okay? Instructions, the two plates are right there in the platform. So let me take this all apart. Here are the three pieces for the handle. So you're going to get your washer and your screw and then the little blue end cap. This is how you're going to push it in there, and then you're going to take your little tool right here to just help screw that on with the handle. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Handle on. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is storming really badly out. Okay. Oh, I can just do this with my hand for the most part. Storming so bad outside, and the lights have already been flickering, so of course I have already started filming, so I might be screwed if the lights go off. Well, you get the gist. You just want to keep twisting this until you get the handle tight, okay? And then put this little piece right here on. I am going to use one of the thin lids, all right? And this one is the one I'm going to cut out. So this is what it looks like, okay? And I purchased this today from Tuesday morning with the machine. And the surface, it says to have this down just like this, okay? So the clear, it says to put the paper down. Okay, just creating my sandwich. And see, this is different from my Impress. My Impress, I don't put the dies face down, okay? Like that. I don't do it. It actually goes the other way for my Impress, but okay, and then put the plate on top and then run it through the machine. Alright, so I'm going to run this through. I guess this is why everyone holds on to it like this. Okay. So yeah, wow. It definitely cut it. It's a little bit different than using my Impress. And I'm going to go ahead and be honest. My Impress is electronic, but I feel like I cut out my die pieces way faster with this. So what I got it for was, look at that, all the little pieces. What I got it for was just to be able to cut some of the pieces out faster. I like that. And I can really just take my nail and get all of those out. So I love this. I am really excited. Obviously, it's so much easier doing this off camera than trying to film around a camera and everything else. But yeah, look at my first cuts. The doily is going to be gorgeous. And I always cut pieces like this out in multiple colors and mix and match, but that will be such a cute little doily. And then I will probably take like my distress inks and distress the sides, just to make it look that much more vintage. So yeah, those are my really quick first impressions and unboxing of my new Sissix Big Kick. And I think I'm done with dye and embossing machines. Between the Empress and this, I'm good to go. I don't need any more. And I do have to try it with my movers and shapers. It says it on the box that I can use it, so I have to see whether or not it works, and if so, I'm going to be really excited. So thank you, hubby, yet again for spoiling me and getting me another tool or toy, so he calls it. But yeah, I love it. So thank you all for watching as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.